With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this. We have, what will be the effect of increased pressure in the following equilibrium reactions? So we have different reactions and we have to identify when we do or we can say when we apply the increase of pressure on the equilibrium, then what will be the effect on the equilibrium of these reactions. So our first reaction is this: H2 gas plus I2 gas equilibrium 2Hi gas. Our second reaction is this: N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives 2NH3 gas. Our third reaction is like this: N2O4 gas gives 2NO2 gas. So these are the reactions which we have. So first of all, we need to know that what happen when we increase the pressure on equilibrium. Okay, so if we increase the pressure on equilibrium, then equilibrium shifted from, if we increase, here it is pressure increased, so if we increase the pressure on equilibrium, then equilibrium shifted from higher gaseous molar side, higher gaseous mole side to lower gaseous mole side. So this is the basic we have to know on when we increase the pressure or when we decrease the pressure, what happens on the equilibrium. So when we increase the pressure on equilibrium, then equilibrium shifted from higher gaseous molar side to lower gaseous molar side. So this is the basic we have to know. Now let us back to our question. Okay, so our first reaction is like this. We have H2 gas plus I2 gas equilibrium 2Hi gas. Here how many moles of gases are there? H2 is in gas, I2 is in gas, so there are 2 mole. There are 2. The stoichiometric coefficient, we are taking the stoichiometric coefficient as mole. Here stoichiometric coefficient of H2 is 1. Here stoichiometric coefficient of I2 is 1. So how many moles of gases are there? There are 2 gaseous moles. And on the product side there are also 2 gaseous moles, because there is 2Hi and stoichiometric coefficient of Hi is 2. So there is also 2 gaseous moles. Okay, we have to take gaseous moles. Okay, if there are something solid or liquid, then we don't take moles of solid or liquid, we have to only take gaseous moles. Then equilibrium shifted from higher gaseous molar side to lower gaseous molar side. Okay, but there is same moles on the reactant and product side, so there will be no effect on equilibrium. There will be no effect on equilibrium, or we can say the equilibrium remains same. Now our second reaction is like this. We have N2 plus 3H2. These both are in gases. These both N2 and H2 are gases. Equilibrium 2NH3. Equilibrium 2NH3. It is gas. So how many gaseous moles are there? There are 4 gaseous moles. 1, N2, 3H2. So there are 4 gaseous moles are there, and there are only 2 gaseous moles. I hope you guys are understanding. We are taking stoichiometric coefficient as mole. Okay, so here is 1 N2 plus 3H2. So there are 4 gaseous moles. N2 and H2 are both in gaseous form. So there are 4 gaseous mole and there is only 2 gaseous mole. So equilibrium shifted from higher gaseous molar side to lower gaseous molar side. So equilibrium shifted towards right. Shift towards right. I hope you guys are understanding this. So there is higher gaseous moles on the reactant side. So equilibrium shifted from higher gas mole side to lower gaseous mole side. So equilibrium will shift towards the right, or we can say equilibrium will shift forward. So this is it for the second reaction. Now our third reaction is like this. I am drawing it here, guys. Our third reaction is like this. We have N2O4 gaseous equilibrium 2NO2 gaseous. Now you can easily do this. We have only 1 gaseous mole here and we have 2 gaseous mole here. Okay, so there is high number of gaseous moles, so equilibrium shifted from higher gaseous molar side to lower gaseous molar side. So equilibrium shift from higher gases to lower gases, that is equilibrium shift towards left, equilibrium shift towards left, or we can say equilibrium will move backward. So this is it for this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.